Oh wow. Wow. Oh my God. Sana, are you wearing the lingerie I gave you?
Yes,
You look so nice. Oh, Sana, I can't put this on YouTube. My brother will kill me. Imangisho oh ngifuna ukuyibona. Sana, I am so yazi ngiheads ukuthi what? Ufuna ukuhlala no-okuhle? I-chocolate uzoyitya kusasa, not today. No-okuhle uzoyitya kusasa. Come, let's eat okuhle. Oh, namhlanje siseve. No, this is too nice. Took it. Okay, girl. Okay.
Special occasion.
Okay, girl. Not you romanticing our yithi laba hayi bangaze ngahappy manje unxiba izihlangu negown. Hi guys, I don't know if you're gonna hear me, but ngaze ngachika ebusweni. Oh, ndiyacobezela. Uthi ndizozibona ngoba ndiyacobezela. Oh. Awuboni kanjani? Wena ndizibona uba ndiyacobezela. Usho uba ngibona ngayo? Guys, it's a car wash to wash my car, and we have something to drink. Sizohlala sisele sihlambe nemoto.
All of them have finished.
Shower moya. Today is a Monday. It's a holiday, so I thought, you know what, let me come wash my car because it is so dirty. Actually, the last time I washed my car, not me, my brother, it was January, February, March, April. It's April. It's April. So I'm washing my car now, guys. Yeah. You won't be able to hear me because there's so much noise. Just a quick update. Bye. Guys, we we got back home to change. I just changed my pants. Safara lip. Where is my lip gloss? This is what I'm looking for. Yo. It's a holiday. I am nyama imlomo. I am nyama imilomo. Guys, we are home to change, and then
we are out and about.
Ningawari ngabantwana siyababribe ngama-chips.
We are good mothers, okay? Do not judge.
Siyababribe abantwana ba-right.
We are good mothers.
Sibaphathele yonke into abayifuna. We went to Pick and Pay. We went to Pick and Pay and got everything that the kids need. Zivele zikhona ezinye endlini. Konke kukhona, but we brought more so that bangasibuzi. I think this is the reason why it's nice to have kids that are not far from each other's age. Because Anathi ubengeke asale nolubanzi. Guys, Anathi wayibhoreka. Mengithi akasale nolubanzi umbone ubhoreke clar. Because uyazibuza ukuthi why?
What am I going to do with this kid?
Why lo mntwana eyinkinga yami? Why? Yabo?
Yeah.
So now these ones are not too far apart. They are far apart, trust me. The other one gets bored. But I think Lama Shades awasafuneka amanye manje. Let's see. You see?
And now I thought of changing mine.
You want to change in? Try this one.
Let me see.
Ayakufanele lama shades send ama shades.
Usibuze ukuthi sisayaphi. Sisayaphi.
I told you. I thought this orange shades will look nice on you because of your skin tone. Because I know what suits me on this my black. Ufuna mapi?
Oh, these are nice.
Very.
Let's try these out.
Try orange. Let's see. Let's make a decision. I like orange. Like orange suits you because umhlophe. I mean. Exactly. You see? Let me lower. No, orange is the one. Yabo? Mina?
Let us go.
When the order my shades wam achieve was a shade.
And lalela sewa oh.
I have my shades, guys. Let's go. Sana I hope my glass word. I'm about to have my plastic glass. Let's take them back. As offer. What do you think? We don't need them anymore. It's fine. So right.
Okay.
Yeah, bong. Still uphatha kwe-plastic manje. Yeah. Asingamiswanga nje. Asidingi ice. Uzoyifaka phi?
Soyifaka lapho ngaphakathi manje. What do you need?
Okay. Guys, let's just try a holiday sibancane. Yeah, I didn't couple my shades. It's not like in the abona and stuff. But yeah, guys, let's wait for our glasses, our plastic glasses, and we go. Yeah, guys, where's my phone? Kuningi, we are so impulsive. Me and Nandi, we are so impulsive. Like, we were not planning on going anyway. Like, literally. I feel like Lendo Mnyama Yasimlomendi fire cool. And I don't like it. But Andizui Kupa. Izo sfeidela away. Pa esakhona siya Gemeli. And is it Gemeli? Wait, let me see what Goodness sent me. Oh, Mojo Cafe.
Sabi girl no dey too like talk. Animals dey in human form. Body man nobody like talk. But you must hustle if you want job. If no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too like us. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want, telling me. Cooking on my fantasy.
Guys, we're here to pick up Goodness because her car is still not back. Block 10.
19.
Oh, 10 kilometers. Say block ba?
19. Yabona ngoku seku 26.
So 21.
21 to 31.
So we're supposed to go which side?
I have no idea because I
Sana.
don't know where 19
Guys, let's
is.
look for the place. We'll catch up
But
now.
we're definitely going the wrong way.
No, but it's somewhere here. Okay, wait. Guys, ukuba so straten. Siya number 1 konje. Guys, ukuba so straten. It's I don't know how to explain this. Did this guy not follow us just because ufuna number? Wasilandela ubhuti ngama-hazard. Hayi ubhuti right yena.
Can we also talk about the girl that was in the passenger seat?
That girl who was in the passenger, there's no way that's his girlfriend. It can't be. There is no way that's the girlfriend in the passenger seat.
Sister.
Yes.
Not related now.
Ne?
No way.
Wasilandela guys ubhuti. Usiqale emarobotini. Ethi nje naze nabahle. What a fine man. Wasilandela guys ubhuti eshaya ama-hazard saze sabona ukuthi cha asime because
We are gonna stand outside because this is got Goodness.
akafiki usisi kaGoodness sana samnika inamba. Now I remember. Kuvuliwe. Guys, I'm so tired. Nale update engifuna ukunika yona kaBhuti osilandele ngemoto. Ayisizi. It was in your sister's car. Your keys. Your keys.
So she came and dropped it and left at your
Ukushila futhi.
at you are disturbing us.
Oh wena. Guys, we're here to pee and then we go. Say hi to the vlog.
I had to drink wine.
I'm updating them that there's a guy who was following us with his car. Efuna inamba. Yo, dala shelo Goodness. Dala ukuze ngivela 2 cars. First Mocha Cafe, he was like my sister.
I know you like that. Never disappoint.
You are very beautiful. I was like, okay.
I'm never one.
Like, I need to go outside. I need to be outside.
Plus this week.
I need to be outside.
Plus this
No,
week.
in life, I need to be outside.
In the week.
And the guy was like, yo, where are you going? I'm like, no, I'm going to Moja Cafe. He's like, wow, your perfume, you smell very nice. He said, your cologne, I can smell you. You smell so good. I was like, thank you.
So, oopie.
Eh? No, man, phuma lapho. Xoxela ngomunye. Mesiza la, khona umunye uthi ama-hazards emotweni. Uthi ngeke. Wasilandela, wayeka indlela zakhe. Sabona ukuthi no, assume this guy has been following us. Uthi no, I need your number.
Oh, must that Cape Town trip is gonna be possible?
No, Cape Town, we must go.
Cape Town is gonna be possible.
No, we need to be in Cape Town. Eh? We need to be in Cape Town. It's a must.
It's a must. 'Cause
Yeah.
I mean, August let's like a college too.
No, two for nothing. Like literally, I was like, how guys? And lo munye ngitheme ngehle emotweni. Athi, eh? I'm like, I know. No, you smell nice. I'm like, okay.
Best friend. Best friend.
I'm like, okay.
Best friend.
Hayi lo munye akazange azoze perfume akaza ungithetla ngelihlo wathi no. Please, I need your number. Guys, let's go to Estradweni. Like le nto yokuhlala endlini kuba kudala ngaba nendoda eserious yazi. Kuba kudala ngathola umfana. Kuba kudala ngathola umfana. Kuvaliwe. Uqedile? Cala umbheka uzithele ngewayini hle cala umbhekele iskipha goodness. Oh, qalile. Siyathandaza. Oh goodness.
Oh, when goodness is
Thank you, Lord Jesus. As you're about to go out, we invite your presence to come and go with us. Grant us grace and covering, mercy, protection. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ, we commit ourselves in the car and we give all honor and glory to you until we come back. Thank you. Amen.
Oh, I could goodness. Guys, anyway, I went home, I changed, I put on these pants. I still haven't went to Forever New to get it hop, but I think I like this.
Oh, yes.
I like wearing it like this. I thought I was buying a set.
Then it
And yeah, so but anyway guys, let's leave Goodness's apartment and go Galavant. Okay? Uyasixotha usifumene iskipa. Oh sana kunini azithela ngeskipa engongotywala lo girl. Shwadene hamba uye phaa ezantsi ndikubone. Let me see. Jika tenara. No, you look nice. Okay, it's fine. Eh? No. Andivani nabantu abashwabene. No, you look nice. It's fine. Eh? Hayi kanjani manje? Eh? Yazi le nto ethi kanjani manje? Kanjani manje? Uchaza ukuthini kanjani manje?
angeke ufike to my younger brother. Yabona abafana basiyam they always make their lives easier.
Ukuphi usahambile?
Uzobuyela ekhulumo. Yabona impahla zakhe zonke.
I know.
Maybe shop. I think ayinwa. Uthenga le material engadingo ayini. Zonke.
Guys, we are here. We found the place. And then we are going. Oh, did we park to your parking? Aski Sishem. Sipake parking yakho. Oh, okay. No, we also visitors. Yeah. Guys, let's go. We thought we're parking here wrong. Thank God. Indlela sibheke ngayo nami, I'm like, yo, kumele sixoliseke manje, but thank God.
It's not us.
Do you know directions?
I'm gonna look with
Yeah.
Namfuna nonsense. I want some guy coming to pick me up here the last thing. Sit you again. Samar. So right now I just got in. We're not greeting each other. He's angry.
Oh!
Me and him, we are on not talking right now. He just yesterday when I was going out to throw stuff. Oh, he just looked at me and didn't greet because we have a G-Wagon guy in Sting City. So I'm like, oh, okay.
Ujiwa guy bekakufuna.
But let me tell you what happened. So he saw me before he could see my sister. When he saw my sister, he started wanting my sister. I'm telling you the truth. But now it's fine. So that's okay. I was like, it's fine.
Man.
So the guy
Fine.
exactly. He called us like I'm at Central Hotel having a cocktail.
Do you know directions where we're going?
No, baby, I don't.
Put them, please.
You might have to
Faka
do
lapho
them.
ngithatha ifoni
You might have to
yakho.
show them yourself. I don't know.
So no, uzowafaka ukudla.
So now the guy is currently talking to my little sister, and I'm like, no, it's fine.
Yo, this is nice. Loka makhumalo. Jika ngasemva. Wena? Awusuke lubanzi. Oh, Sana, this outfit, yeah, inhle. Love it. Kudala ndiyiayile phansi ngoba hayi andinasho. No, mina kulapha emazantsi apho ndiye ndacinga uba ingaveza izinqa. So ndigqibele ipha ku-wish list ndayishiya kanjalo. Very nice. Ngafune ndithathe black.
Ne? Ngithathela pink because the color of the day is
ngupink. Hayi inhle le pink. Ugeli lo ndambona kuyo last day wayinxibe white. It's very sensitive ke le material. Into encane nje seyikrazukile but inabo ukuqina ewe yazi it's not bencinga ba ithambile. Hayi ngeke. Hayi iqinile ngiyadlala hayi. Iqinile. Ayisenhle xa soyayinile. Oyithi ndibona ibag. Okay girl. Oh, kuthatha wena. Who's getting married? Oh, the shoes. Let me see. Nazuthenga shin? Chisa. Ushin kodwa shem uyasizama.
Uyasizama ushini.
Hayi, ushini funeka uyazi into oma uyikhethe eshini.
Mawubambe isitolo.
Kahle. Yazi ushini is not that because the set ayikho cheap. Ayikho cheap le
I
set.
found it on the other, like the original Yakon. It is $329.
Yo. Malenga. No, but no, you chose well. This is beautiful. Yo, uyabona xa soyayinile lento yethu ongabi na steam funeka sithenge steam apha endlini iayina izusebenzela sidinga steam. Yes, uyabona lena idinga steam.
I think lena uma sendifikile emakhaya.
Hayi thatha icephe wenzani waye uthatha uzotya kanjani ngaloo nto?
Mama, vulelile. No bees.
Thank you.
Oh, done, Mama.
You done?
Yeah.
Okay. Ambiyotya. Ukuzamisela?
This is a very bad.
Ubani uzuzamisela?
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, guys. I tried putting a duck on my wig because I want a different look. I don't want to install. I am gonna install this week, right? I just don't wanna install now. Also, I'm wearing something white and sana I'm gonna risk, guys. I need to buy data. I'm going for breakfast with Utlengi, ne? Do I have data? I don't. Let me buy data, put GPS. We're going to Melrose Arc. There's this place that TikTok will always be famous. Also, my shades are going to be very slippery because I am sweating. I think I balances no buy. Where are my car keys? Guys, let me buy data because there's no point yoba ndiqhube andikwazi guys le nto yokuba ne-Wi-Fi endlini iyaspoilana because I always don't have data. Let me buy data for today only. Ndizoyibona kusasa if ndiyaphuma kusasa. 500 megabytes will be fine. Hi guys, it is another day of this vlog. Let us go have a breakfast. Take your pictures were successful. Danko. Okay. Guys, this update, it doesn't feel like an update because I did not run. Trust me, ukuthi izicathulo ngizozigqoka phambili because snap, I forgot the keys. Okuhle! Ngicela uninikeze isitshixo sokuvula igate or ngicela ngicela uninikeze isitshixo nizohamba naso. Esesilapho. Guys, let's go. Let us go. I think I like this look though. I've seen people wear these and like, oh, let me try it and see if it's on funnel. I actually like it. Ndiyenda sicutha esi sikhafu because izikhafu zami zinkulu ndasenza sangu-half so that at the back it's not like too much. But yeah, thanks so. Bye bye. See you now. Unibhalele uWhatsApp unikhumbuze ubisi liphelile ngithenga ubisi. Ubhala lapha kuWhatsApp nje kuphela. Uzobuya nalo. Sharp. Guys, let me go. Hi guys, I am here and Hlengi is not here yet. She is 10 minutes late, but I've ordered myself some cappuccino while I wait for her, and yeah, look forward to her for breakfast. Yeah, but at least it's early, so sizoyikhava breakfast. Yabo? Sizoyikhava breakfast. But yeah guys, I don't even know if you guys can hear me because there's music playing, but yeah, just a quick update. Hi guys, the latecomer is finally here. We are taking pictures. We are taking pictures for the gram while we wait for our food. Lento in I don't know, but in Zaikala because I actually like it. But anyway, guys, this place is so nice. Please come content and videos and pictures. TikTok, it's the fact that I've been here obviously last year when my baby daddy booked the hotel, but I didn't know we can like have you want this one? I didn't know we can have like breakfast up until I saw a lot of people on TikTok posting like Haibo. I'm like, Melrose, I know this place, and I was like, let me come. Oh yeah. Ngifuna ukuhamba nawe nje. Ufuna ungena ufuna ngikushuza? Nuphoxa. Ave niyithatha serious i-vlog. Asicela ubhuti laphayana sivulela imoto sishuthe. Nangu. Lo not wasekhishini. Yeah, anyway. So you can take pictures, videos, whatever, shebang, and just yabo. I've got some nice cute pictures. Guys, bangipakise endaweni erest kanjani le ndawo uhleli ungayitholi parking, and they were like, sizikupakise la. Ihande yami, it's not that bad, no. I jumpies. Oh yeah, Puhlengi. Guys, let me call Uhlengi. Ngithe akabize lo bhuti lapha kwethu angimazi uyaphi manje, so that we can take pictures on the inside the car. Ufuna ukushutha emotweni phakathi, but now khona le moto afuna ukushutha kuyona and asikwazi ukuyivula, silobe siyicofile ayivule. So yeah, let me do that. Uthini? Sana lwa. Is it? Oh, thank you. Yes, I'm done. Oh, for a little selfie. Oh my goodness. Oh guys, we are done. Why are chitty telephone? Hi guys, let me put on my veto, because what do you mean? Philip Closiam, you share my twin orange. Oh, which kind of nonsense will have to be this now? What is this? Thank God. Guys, we are not far from home. The GPS said 13 minutes, so I'm gonna go home, change, because Uhlengi wants ibev yabantu abadala sesiqedile wafuna ibev. But anyway guys, I need to change. Remember when I went out of the house in the car, I said I took a risk. So, and also ndizingcolisile wethu mandithethe inyani, ndizingcolisile and ndinxibe into emhlophe. So we're gonna go home and I change and grab some few things for my kids, drop them, and then we go to another restaurant because here they don't sell alcohol. So this update doesn't make sense because of the noise, guys. Let's go. I'll catch up with you guys in the car because yeah, no, ayikho lengenzayo la, kunomsindo lana. But yeah, masihambeni, it's a Saturday, let's go enjoy. And oh, but yeah, I'm definitely coming back, guys. The view, everything, 10 out of 10 plus 10, okay, minus nothing. Too good. Asambe, oh. Okay, bye. Kiss mommy. Guys, we've changed. At this point, I feel like this vlog will be, thank you babe, I feel like the vlog is over too long because it is orngi guys, it's cool. Bye bye, Inik.
Bye bye. Let's go. Let's go.
What do you want?
You're not going.
Huh?
I'll
Guys, gashes.
Kuyashisa.
Okay, kiss mommy. Yeah, you wanna kiss mommy? Okay, bye bye. You don't wanna kiss mommy? Okay, bye bye. What do you want? What do you want? Chapis, ipa, endlin, amboyithatha. Amboyithatha A1.
Okay.
Bye. Yo,
Mama.
Sada. Gaza ngacenga. Mana ke sifake manje i-GPS
Okay.
because yena angaze ngiye laphayana. So I was saying, I don't know if I should cut this vlog because it's too long. Oh, siqhubeke sigalavande.
The whole day today.
No, with the vlog. Just tell.
It's what cuts.
Mira. Mira Sentin. Denke wacho kwavela yona. It says 21 minutes drive. Let's go. Guys, I don't know. I thought I was far from places, but when I put email rows, it 13 minutes to Sentin, 21 minutes. Ikude, like really far. But I guess it's not because those are the minutes I would drive even if in Guys, let me stop yapping and start driving. We will catch up at a mirror. Guys, nabondla ama-shades lawa ngiyawathanda lawa amanye sengawagabha sengaphuma emabhozeni because tell me why I'm always wearing i-shades eziyi-1. Ndifake ziphi? These ones ezina zinkulu and mina nobuso obude obucijile. Nginobuso nje obucijile. So lento ekuthiwa ama-shades.
Nalezo zinhle.
These ones.
Yeah.
For different pictures now because I'm wearing a different shades. Let me put these ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. Clock it. When we say clock it, she literally cringes because why is it clock it? Sana get clock wa yonke into nathi siya clock. Asazi what's clock and by Puzak. Cheers one. Uyabona ukuthi sisebenza overtime. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
I bump into a Sabi guys. I'm so happy.
I'm so happy, my baby.
Thank
I'm
you
so
for
happy.
the support.
I'm so happy.
I appreciate you guys so much.
That's how smile. Overshake.
Uthanda ukuhleka kwami and wanifumana ndihleka. Kambanzi. Akabe namamuthi. Come. How? Uyaphi? Hi guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. Guys, I'm joking, it's not another day of this vlog, it's literally an outro. I've started editing. Today's a Sunday. I've started editing the vlog and I realized that I don't have an outro. And whatever that I'm doing, I don't want to continue with the vlog. I feel like it's just gonna be unnecessarily long. I can just simply cut it, but andina outro. I know nearly para right now, but I can thank Zoyenza, guys. I need to come and say thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I had so much fun on this vlog. While I'm editing and watching it, I just realized that I had so much fun, like being so strategic. I love it for me because but this is what happened yesterday. Me, come baby. Isa. So yesterday, me and Hlengi, after I loved Mira restaurant is so nice. It is, but it's so romantic. It's, for me, Mira, it's a restaurant I would like to go there when I'm dating, like when I'm in a relationship, like a proper relationship, and take my man there. Like, yeah, nje restaurant enjalo ngithandile. Well, we didn't eat because obviously we ate breakfast at Melrose, right? We had breakfast, and that place, the Melrose place as well, for breakfast. I'm definitely going back there again. Also, I love how reasonable the prices are. We paid 500 rand for 2 people, literally. And yeah, well, breakfast is always cheap, if we're being honest. No, we happy breakfast is always the cheapest option than lunch and dinner. Sharp. Nonetheless, all I'm saying is that for such beautiful, nice aesthetics, I also enjoyed the fact that it wasn't expensive. And then we went to Mira. Mira is a nice restaurant. It was my first time going there as well, and we only drank alcohol. We had like two cocktails, and then I was like, no, let's change the vibe. Mjolo too much. And then we went to Blockman. Yeah, I've been to Blockman. I showed you guys that last year. So yeah, as a Blockman. So we went there, so like, let's just get ourselves a bottle of wine, because at least to get a Blockman, it wasn't that busy. But in Mira, I'm definitely going back. No fun. But it's a restaurant I'm not doing with a friend ever again. Vibe yayo nje romantic. Lubanzi, guys. Lubanzi uthanda attention. Lubanzi likes attention because I can tell you that for free. Uyayithanda attention. What's wrong? Yeah, but anyway, guys, let me stop yapping about the restaurants. But I like giving feedback about my restaurants, and you guys know that. So yeah, Miranje, it's beautiful, aesthetically pleasing. The cocktails are nice if you're a person who obviously drink cocktails. Yeah, but definitely do take your man there if you're married and you're in a serious relationship, whatever. Ilo vibe nje too serious for abangani, ifuna nje umjolo, inhle for it. Set up yayo, the way that restaurant is set up yomjolo. Set up nje yomjolo. Nana, you don't want me to vlog, guys. Kanti kwenzakalani? What's wrong? Are you hungry? Guys, akafuna ulubanzi ngivlog, and at this point it's fine. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you guys on my next one. Let me attend to this guy. I don't know what's the problem. Like, akafuna vlog namhlanje unochuku. Bye guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you